Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of chicken mandi. First of all, we will prepare spice powder for marinating chicken. We need 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 8 pieces of cloves, 3 cardamoms and 4 cinnamon sticks. Now take a frying pan and we will roast the spices for about 2 minutes. As you can see, I have ground the spices into powdered foam. Now for marinating chicken, we need half tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, prepared spice powder, half teaspoon of orange food color, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoon of oil. I took 1 kg of chicken and then you need to cut deep slashes in the chicken. This is how you need to cut. Let's start marinating. Add all the ingredients and then we will mix it well. We need to marinate chicken for about 1 hour. For cooking rice, we need 4 cinnamon sticks, 2 star anise, 5 cloves and 1 cardamom. Now add the spices into 1.5 liter of water. Here we need 1 kg of rice which I washed and soaked already. As you can see, I have placed a steaming pot on the boiling water and then arrange the chicken and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, so now we will prepare our tomato sauce for mandi. So let's see what ingredients we need. 3 medium-sized tomato, 1 chicken or vegetable stock, 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, half teaspoon of salt. Here I took a blender. I will add tomatoes and green chili and I will make them into a paste. Now add prepared tomato paste into a pot and we will add 2 glasses of water. Now we will add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add garlic. Add chicken or vegetable stock. Mix it a little and then we will add salt. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix it well and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now I will fry some onions for garnishing our mandi. Take a frying pan and add oil and then add onion. Fry them until they turn into golden brown color. Okay, so here tomato sauce is ready. We will off the flame. As you can see, chicken is cooked well. We will take it out in a plate. Now add rice in the water. Add salt as per your taste and then mix it well. Cook rice until they become soft. Now fry chicken until it turns into golden brown color. As you can see, water is reduced. Now let it cook for about 15 minutes on low flame. Rice is ready now. Let's start serving it in a plate. Now add chicken and fried onion on the rice. And we will garnish mandi with slices of lemon and mint leaves. As you can see, chicken mandi is ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.